Okay, so tell us about yourself.
I am Pranish.
Hi, I'm Zanmai. I'm a BTech third year student studying at MLRI.
Hi, Coach Vita. I'm Ritvik.
Hi, I'm Srishant.
My name is Likita.
Hey guys, I'm Lekhan. I'm from Vienna VJIT.
Hello everyone, my name is Anurag.
I am at Course Vita Pair Programming Hackathon. Coming to the Course Vita company, actually a friendly company. The atmosphere is very good here. The environment,
But when I came here, like the first program they have done is the networking. I liked it very much.
everything was great. Employees here are very friendly, very good. We interacted with a lot of them. Everyone were responding very politely, very gently, and we got to meet some of new friends because of the fun activity bingo that we played at the morning. Yeah, experience is very good.